Hello everybody, I'm James with Swansway Peugeot, and today we have this lovely 2019 19-plate Peugeot 308 GT line. You have full LED headlights and indicators as well as your fog lights. You have the 1.2 litre petrol engine with a 6-speed manual gearbox. You have front and rear parking sensors, and you have 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels and a GT line badge there. Indicators in the wing mirrors. Going into the car, it is mostly cloth with ISOFIX seating points. In the middle seat you have an armrest with 2 cup holders and access into the boot. You have this red stitching, which looks really nice. 1-touch windows with pinch protection, and you also have more red stitching on the door cards. You have a 180-degree view reverse and coloured camera. And going into the booth, you have loads of storage room, and you have these elastic bands on the side to secure anything small. And just underneath here you have your spare wheel and locking wheel nut. Have another GT line badge on the boot. Going into the driver's seat, you have some door mounted controls to adjust and bring in your wing mirrors and open or close all 4 windows with window lock. You have Peugeot on the door sill. Going into the car, you have this lovely perforated leather with the red behind. You have steering wheel mounted controls on either side. To the left, you have cruise control and speed limiter. This car has only done 13,262 miles, but it will rise due to test drives. You have a 9.4-inch touchscreen display with touch sensitive icons, 3D TomTom sat-nav, dual zone climate control, driving functions, vehicle settings. You can connect your phone by Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink or Android Auto. You can have red, copper or blue. And just below there you have your volume control, central lock-in, demisters, your hazard lights and air circulation. Just below that you have a 12-volt socket outlet and a USB port and a aluminium shift head and an electronic handbrake and a adjustable armrest which even goes up and goes down, and you have a cup holder in there, and you have your controls up there for your lighting and your panoramic roof. The switch is also 1-touch. If you are interested in this 2019 Peugeot 308 GT line, then please check the website for more information about it will be listed.